Hello guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to my YouTube channel Siddharth Lecture. So today we are going to discuss on advantages and disadvantages of Docker. Let's start. First we will see the advantages of Docker. So Docker run the container in second instead of minute. It uses less memory. Also Docker is a lightweight visualization. And most important thing is Docker does not need or require a fully operating system. Docker provides a continuous development and continuous testing environment. Also there are some disadvantages, like due to use of Docker, additional layer will be added in our software development. That's why it's become hard to manage. Also difficult to manage the large amount of container. That's it.